Year Canva Create dropped something really big, but the AI update from Canva Create 2026, this is very different. As a Canva verified expert, I broke down every single Canva AI update so you know exactly what changed and how to use it. So let's explore these amazing Canva AI updates. So the first one is conversational design. So now you can just open any doc type. I'm opening an Instagram post. So as you can see here, we will have now a Canva agent inside our editor. So whatever design task you have, you can just provide the prompt and it will create amazing stuff for you. So I will just paste my prompt like this: create a bold modern Instagram post for a fashion sale, high contrast colors, large typography, premium editorial style, scroll stopping layout. So I'm just sending it. It will create an amazing design by analyzing my prompt. So you don't need to design. You can see Canva AI is working on my artboard. You can see here. So you don't need to design. The Canva AI will take care of all your design tasks. And let's wait what it will generate. We just need to wait with vibe. So I can just scrolling my phone and do things because Canva is already taking my design task. So as you can see, it is generating couple of options. These are the really amazing things it is generated. As you can see, fashion sale. So I will delete rest of which I don't require. I like this one. So I can just this one. I keep this one. So it will provide couple of options to you, but whatever you like, you can keep that. So now I will ask it to generate few more variation. So I can provide my prompt like, can you create an Instagram reel cover and a story by using this Instagram post? So I just send it and it will analyze again and create 3 more doc type Instagram reel cover, also then Instagram story. So entire content set you can generate by just entering the prompt. It's so simple as that. So you can see the reel cover page is added, Instagram story page is added. So now it is start working and you can see each and every step whatever it is taking. You can see 2 action is completed and inserted page, inserted page. So now it is start working on the design phase. So you can just enjoy it how it is doing. So now you can see our reel cover is ready. Few more things. If you want, you can also do manual changes. You can scale a little down and like this you can place it. And now it is start working on my story. But one thing you can notice is here, each and every design is not a resize, it is completely different design. So this is a really game changer. You can also attach your brand kit to generate branded templates. So just click on this and apply brand kit and then choose your brand kit and then prompt like this. So it will generate on branded visuals for your business. You can also do things like you can just redesign this page, add a background, change the style. Also, you can provide the prompt like change this design style to modern with red color. You can just provide the simple prompt, it will analyze and create. You can just highlight a design and it will start working on your prompt. So you can do n number of things, whatever the design task you are doing, now Canva AI will do it. You can just have a sip of your coffee. So as you can see, my entire collection is edited. You can see everywhere my color is changed and the font is different with the modern, clean, minimalistic design style which I asked for. So in this way, you can do a number of things as I have mentioned, and it's really fun to use these amazing kind of features. So the next update is connected. So now you can connect your workspace inside the Canva. So you can just click on this import and you will see couple of options: Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, hotspot data and everything. So now you can just upload your data and chat it. Also, you can convert the data into amazing visuals, doc, presentation and even designs. So I have a data inside the Canvas sheet. So I'm accessing it. I'm selecting my data. So now you can see this is my data. I can just click on import and can you analyze this data? So it will analyze the data and give me some amazing insights. So as you can see here, we have some amazing insights. So now I can ask it to, can you create presentation with up on top of this sales data? So it will create an amazing presentation which will showcase this amazing data. So it will give me some of the amazing slides overview. So you can see these are the slides it will now generate, and just click on generate the design. So it will start working in my presentation and create something really cool options. So you can see I have two amazing options ready for my sales data along with my insights. So I will just click on this one. It will open inside the design editor. You can see, you can also chat if you need any particular design changes, the font changes, the color changes, anything. Can you change the color to bit modern? Also, you can provide your brand kit to create a stay on brand date design with prompts. So you can see whatever the data is present inside the CSV file. So it use that data and create amazing presentation on top of it. So now you can see this is really helpful, this amazing AI stuff which Canva launch in Canva Create 2026. This is really amazing. Canva AI is not a generic AI. It is going one step further. So now you can schedule your creative task inside the Canva AI. So you can just type your prompt and schedule any specific time. I need that Instagram post and this particular time. So you can schedule it, and that particular time you will get a notification your design is ready. So this is way better from the generic AI tools. So now you can schedule your things, post it on Instagram, and do the things very easily with the Canva AI schedule task feature. So now you can get only 10 creative tasks which you can schedule, and one creative task will contain only one prompt. So you can schedule 10 creative tasks in one shot and do your creative workflow automate. This Canva AI update is really insane, memory and the context. So all you have to do is just paste this prompt whenever you are interacting with Canva AI 2.0 first time. So just send this prompt, it will create an amazing personalized about me page for you, which it will keep it inside the memory AI personalization. So it will refer to this particular page which is containing all the information about yourself, and it will amazingly handle it while you are pasting any prompt. So it will craft amazing design which is personalized for you. It will analyze your brand style, the thoughts, and how you are creative and what's your go-to things. So it will keep the things all of in one place. You can see it is created for me. I'm just showing you. So this is my about me page. So you can see here, so it is containing all the information about me, what I do, how I work, my style, what drives me, things I love. So all the things in one single document. So it is referring to this document to create amazing personalized design results or the creative tasks. So this is really insane to generate amazing personalized stuff right inside the Canva AI. So the next amazing AI update is research. So now you can research inside the Canva AI. So I will show you how you can utilize this amazing update. So just open a Canva doc. So suppose if you are planning for a trip and want a creative document for your trip. So I'll add my prompt like this. I'm planning to a Japan trip and research to add a current JR pass prices, rules, best neighborhood to stay in Tokyo and the Kyoto, must book ahead restaurants, any travel advice, tip for April 2026. So just send it. It will create an amazing guide while performing all the research on the internet and create amazing document for you, which you can refer while planning your trips. So let's wait what it will generate. So now you can see it is start generating the document. You can see this is really amazing. So all the research it is performed in the backend and it is generated all the things in one single document, which you can refer while planning your trip. And also you can make it, can you make it more creative? Also add the banner. So these are the creative things you can do with just a prompt. So I can just provide it. It is adding the banner and make it more creative. So as you can see, the banner is added and it is perfectly at this marker. So you can see highlight the particular section in a creative way and the table is organized. So you can see how beautifully crafted this particular document, which is go to while I'm traveling to Japan. So this is really amazing and helpful, which I made in just single prompt. So you can utilize this amazing Canva AI update or research. So this is not all. So now you can generate any of the element inside the Canva editor as well. So you can see you can generate image, code, video, graphics, and even the sound effect and the music as well. So let me show you how you can generate an amazing element. So all you have to do is just click on this graphics and paste your prompt like this. You can also select the different style which is present here. So if you want a 3D, if you want mixed media, if you want hyper real or something, you can just select your style and click on generate. No more juggling to find out the right ones. You can instantly generate inside the Canva editor and use it into your design. So as you can see here, we have our 4 options. So I can just click on this one. I like this one. So I can just utilize this one and I can just paste it here. Also, if I want to do any modification, the color label, so which I can do easily, I can see. You can see here, I can do it easily. Also, I can provide a quick background inside it, so it will solve all the problem. So in this way, you can also generate amazing icons, illustration, code, music, and everything inside the Canva editor and any of the elements and use it directly in your design like this. These are the amazing Canva AI 2.0 update which help you to create your amazing designs with just prompt or automate your design workflow and the creative task. So tell me which update you like the most, and till then take care of yourself and don't forget to miss this amazing video Canva AI, not AI, Canva video editing updates. So let's explore these amazing stuff if you are creating videos inside the Canva. Till then, take care of yourself, tata, and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. Bye.